As a 60-plus-year-old woman who does not wear a lot of makeup to begin with, that still wants a light coverage, skin-like finish, I want a healthy, nourished, radiant glow without all of the expensive products and tools. What do you do? I do have some fine lines, I have texture, but I want something that's going to make my skin look glowy without it being greasy, make it look plump without having to later blot or powder because it's setting into those fine lines. Well, I think I've come up with an answer. Let me walk you through really quick what I do for my makeup, no makeup summer look. This is the e.l.f. Skin Daily Moisturizer. Take a little bit of that after applying my regular skincare, of course. Magic ingredient is this L'Oreal Tinted True Match Lumi Glotion. Mix it in with my moisturizer. Take a little bit of this and also mix it in with my moisturizer. And that's about what you get. One good brush. Mix it all together. And without even needing a primer, just apply it. It feels wonderful going onto the skin because the moisturizer is my base. It looks amazing and it wears all day. Just from that, I now have a very skin-like finish that looks healthy, that looks rich. And after that application, this is what you get. A soft, lightweight coverage, glow from within look. Now, if this is all you need just to even out your skin tone, then this would be it for you. I normally then take my powder brush, which still has powder on it from yesterday, and I simply just buff that in just to set it a bit. Not even using any more product. Look at how plump the skin looks, how nourished the skin looks, and you don't see all of those fine lines and the texture, which is exactly what I want for a makeup, no makeup look. But to complete this look, I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup like I normally do. So I'm going to go in with a little concealer. Now this concealer is by Revlon. It's the Glimmer Correcting Concealer. It is almost the same color as my skin, so I don't want it to be too bright. So for me, I have these deep wells under my eyes, so I am going to start with putting a bit down the side of my nose and just outline the well or the bag. Down the center of my nose, a little bit here in the forehead, right here, and right here. Those are all the natural places that the sun will hit my face. I am a little extra, so I usually go in with a bit right here and right here. It doesn't need to sit. This brush also has setting powder on it already. So I'm not adding any new product on my brush. Just gonna go over my eyelid a bit. And I am not going to pull this all the way under my eyelid, which is avoiding where I have a few more fine lines. The foundation mixture that I just made, it is extremely creamy because it has all of the moisturizer mixed in it. It's healthy for my skin. So I am not only creating a makeup look that works great for me, but alongside of my skincare, I'm adding extra layers of skincare, which is extremely healthy for your skin, especially if you have a bit more mature skin. So now I'm going to take a clean brush and I am just going to lightly go over what I just did. And just like that, I've added some dimension to the face because the face has dimension naturally. I've highlighted the areas where the natural light will hit it. So now my face is not all one tone, which would then make my face a bit flat. And I think that when you have a bit more mature skin, the little extras help because, again, it plumps up the skin. It helps the skin to look more radiant, to look more youthful, without having to use a ton of product and without having to use a bunch of tools. I used just a bit of this Fenty Beauty Soft Pro Filter Foundation mixed in, and it also has skincare ingredients in it that help to illuminate the skin and for your skin to drink healthy nutrients. I want a healthy, nourished, radiant glow. Now I'm going to go over all of this again with that same brush, which is going to blend it all together to make sure I don't have any streaks, no blotchy spaces. And I am with a very, very light hand going over my entire face. I mean, the brush is barely touching my face. And there you have an even more beautiful, defined face. Now I am going to go in and set the concealer where I put it, just because it's hot and I'm going to sweat and I don't want the makeup to budge. So for my setting powder, I'm using the e.l.f. Pro High Definition Filter setting powder. And I am going to use the same brush that I used to apply it. I am going to use this brush to apply the powder. And again, I'm barely touching my face with this powder. I just want to set those areas a bit. I'm going to take this brush and just brush all of that powder away. This has absolutely no product on it. Now I'm going to go in with just a little bit of contour. And this one is by Thread in the number 180. This Real Techniques double-ended brush, I take this end and I just put a little bit of that product on the end of this, and I sculpt out my nose. Take that under my brow a bit. And then I'm going to apply my contour right here. Now, I have noticed that since I had the stroke, my face is no longer symmetrical, so I have to apply one side one way, and the other side of my face is a little bit different. On this left side, it's a little different. And I want to keep that right under this space, like right at the top of my jawline, but right underneath where that well stops, like right there. Just give that a little looky look down the sides. And then I am going to buff the sides of my nose in with the other side of the brush. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. It's already on the back of the brush. And I'm going to take my blush up into the side of my eye and right on the top of my cheekbone. I use for my blush this liquid Maybelline Cheek Heat. I love this orangey peachy color. And then I will go over this with some powder in the same color or in a richer pink, but that's what's already on this brush. Put it on your lashes and your eyebrows, and you have got yourself a beautiful no makeup look. I've only used, I think, 2 or 3 brushes and 2 or 3 products. I will set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I love this because this makes this look last all day, even though I sweat. And then I will finish it off with the Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist. That is my makeup, no makeup look, especially for the summer. Now, I do use this look even in the fall and winter. I usually add a little bit of shadow for a great lightweight coverage makeup, no makeup look. I think this works great. And I think the key to making this work is this L'Oreal Tinted Lumi Glotion. It gives you that hydrated, moisturized look, that glow, skin-like finish, and that sun-kissed golden look, which I absolutely love, especially on mature skin. It will not settle into those fine lines, and it won't start to crack or run, so I don't have to do any additional blotting and or powdering for the remainder of the day. This is the star of my show, this L'Oreal Tinted Lumi Glotion. It is wonderful, it's healthy, it's good for your skin, and you can use this all over your body to get that same healthy, sun-kissed, tanned look without it ruining your clothes. It doesn't leave streaks, and I did not have to break the bank to do it. I love the skin that I'm in. I love being 60.